Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor. Very excited to be in the Forest River studio this morning to debut a brand new floor plan, the 17 RBLX Surveyor. It's part of our brand new sub-brand called Legend X. We've got a separate video on that explaining exactly what Legend X is and the exciting things that go along with that. But this is our first floor plan of that sub-brand, the 17 RBLX. Very lightweight. Affordable price point, but it's got some great features and a brand new awesome look that you're going to see here on the outside. Let's head on inside and I'm going to show you some of the great things we got going on. All right, we just walked in the brand new 17 RBLX. Again, this is part of our brand new sub-series of Surveyor called Legend X. We've got some very cool features going on in here, some brand new things for 2023 I want to show you that you're going to see in all of our single axles. But this brand new 17 is a very cool floor plan. You're going to want to see it in person, I promise you that. Let's check out the back end here of this 17. We've got the brand new black glass Furrion 12 volt refrigerator. This is going to give you a ton of space here, 10 cubic foot. Guys, keep in mind, in similar size floor plans, you're going to see 5 cubic foot, 8 cubic foot refrigerators. So in those circumstances, sometimes you're going to have double the amount of storage space in this single axle, in this 17, that you would in competing floor plans. So keep that in mind. You've got a huge pantry area here. Check that out. Ton of space here. You've also got more storage below, but a huge pantry here in this size. This floor plan's under 23 feet and under 4,000 pounds. This is going to be our lightest weight single axle on the market. And again, part of this brand new Legend X series, which is designed to be lightweight and very affordable, value-based, entry-level floor plan. So great pantry area here. Let's check out the bathroom. I'll show you some great features in there. All right, we're inside the bathroom of this 17 RBLX. You're gonna see some great features that you're gonna find in all of our Surveyor floor plans, which is very cool because again, this is gonna be at a lower price point, more entry level for that customer with the customer in mind, but you're gonna get some very high-end features in this bathroom. Upgraded shower enclosure, Irvine shower door, mildew resistant material. This door is gonna squeegee itself as well, so very easy to maintain compared to other enclosures out there. You're also going to have a standard porcelain toilet, which is hard to believe at this price point. Surfex countertops in the bathroom, scratch stain, chip resistant. You've also got no T-mold here, so if you spill water, water's not going to damage those countertops. But a ton of storage in here for linen, trash can, whatever you've got in there, and also the built-in medicine cabinet that you're going to see in all of our floor plans with the storage behind it, toothbrush holder, and then of course you've got our residential towel hooks, which is just a really nice feature. Reminds you of being at home, place to put your towels, you know, when you're in and out of the shower. So some great features in this 17 bathroom. Let's head to the kitchen. I want to show you some cool things we've got going on. All right, we're in the front of this brand new 17 RBLX, incredible floor plan, very lightweight. Again, part of that Legend X series. We've got some great features. Let's check out this kitchen. You've got a ton of space here, huge window in the kitchen area, gonna let a lot of natural light in, but you've got the oversized sink. Something we did in our single axle series for 2023 was gave you a much bigger sink. So this is gonna be an oversized sink, a ton of space here for you to operate in the kitchen, clean dishes, whatever you wanna do there. We also gave you more counter space. So you're gonna see this in all our single axles and this 17 RB. But we've got the brand new gray stone range top here that runs vertically. This thing is gonna give you a ton of more space in the kitchen. And we've also got the gray stone range vent as well. Nice compact setup here, but again, really wanted to utilize all the space here in the kitchen and just maximize the opportunity for you. Let's check this out. You've got a Furrion microwave up here, standard microwave in this 17, and then you've got some nice overhead storage here as well. You've got your black glass inserts, but a really nice look, really high-end look here in this 17. But a ton of storage here in the kitchen. Look at all we've got here. Let me move this towel and show you guys all the storage we've got. We've got huge doors here underneath the sink, ton of storage opportunity there. You've also got another big door with a ton of storage here underneath that cooktop, and then 3 huge drawers here. Again, under 23 feet, you're not going to find this amount of storage really in any other floor plan. So just keep that in mind as you're looking around at small lightweight trailers. I think we do storage some of the best in the industry in smaller floor plans. So just keep that in mind. Ton of storage in this 17. Let's check out this bedroom area. Again, you've got 2 end tables here. We've got this east to west Murphy bed setup and a couple other floor plans. Very cool setup. Really helps you maximize the space. It gives you a 60 by 80 bed, which you don't typically see in Murphy bed setups, but it also helps keep the weight and the length down. So you guys that want to be, you know, under 25 feet, under 23 feet, whatever, you know, this east to west Murphy bed really gives you that opportunity to get lighter weight, and also, you know, get that length down so you can go more places, be more versatile. But you've got a nice jackknife setup here, drawers underneath, full pull-out drawers, which again is pretty rare to find in this setup, but huge drawers there, a ton of additional storage. And then up top here, you're gonna have your overheads with the nets here, which you're gonna find in the Legend X series. So a ton of storage above as well. But again, 60 by 80 bed. This is very easy to put down. Very lightweight setup you've got here. Very easy to use latch over there. This is going to lay down. Then you've got a nice decorative pillow up there as well. All right, right across from the bedroom in this 17, you've got your full size slide out here with a full booth dinette. Again, 4-seat, very roomy. You can sit 4 adults here very comfortably. Something I want you to keep in mind as you're searching around looking at floor plans. Compared to a smaller U-shaped dinette, you can actually sit 4 people here very comfortably. As you can see here, we've got our easy access storage in this 17 as well, which is going to be a standard feature, but very easy to access. The dinette storage, gas strut assisted, lifts up, gives you full access to that storage area. Very easy to get to if you've got stuff in the back of that area that you want to access quickly, so keep that in mind. But a very roomy dinette here in this 17. You can see we've got the new dinette table color as well. Surfex material, no T-mold here, so again, as you're eating or having drinks, whatever, if something gets spilled, it's not going to damage that tabletop. Very important. You've got a huge panoramic window here as well, so when you're sitting here at the table with the shade open, you're going to get a nice view of the outdoors, so keep that in mind. But a tall slide out box. I mean, I can step right into this slide out and not really have to bend my head, almost 6 feet tall. So again, just an elevated level of comfort you're going to find in this Surveyor series. And the 17 RBLX is no different. 78-inch interior height, and also you're going to have a standard 13.5 AC Furrion AC on here as well. So 13.5 AC in the 17 RBLX. Let's check out this entertainment center area here. You've got a standard 28-inch TV in the 17, and also you've got the nice residential coat hooks here as well. So really a nice, really nice setup here for entertainment here, and some additional storage. A couple things I want to hit on here before we move to the front. You've got your heat here down below in the cabinetry, which is going to force your heat to the living area. But one thing I want to remind you of, we've got a sealed and true heated underbelly on this 17 RBLX. So again, this Legend X series is designed to be an entry-level product, value-based, but we've got a ton of upgraded features on here, sealed and heated underbelly. Very rare to find at a price point like this, in the size and the weight. So you've got dedicated heat to the underbelly. So you're really set up for extended season camping, and we've got the optional Arctic package in this series as well, so keep that in mind. Before we wrap up, there's a couple more things I want to show you up front by the entry door. Let's check it out. All right, this 17 is loaded with features. We hit on a bunch of them, but a couple more things I want to show you before we wrap up. We've got a standard central vac system in this 17 RBLX. Pretty hard to believe at this price point you've got all these features, but a central vac system standard. We've got the nice marketing sticker here to show you where that's at with the Surveyor logo on it, but this is designed to sweep right into it. So it's going to lift up for you, and it's got a pretty cool light which is going to illuminate that area, but you just sweep right into it. It's got a vac bag system in there, so when that fills up, you just replace the bag It's very easy to order new bags for that. Instructions are inside on those bags specifically, but very cool system here. You've also got a countertop extension. So we talked about all the counter space you've got in the 17 RBLX for under 23 feet, even more countertop space here with this countertop extension. And again, no tea mold here either. So it's going to protect you from moisture and food particles there. Up here, you've got your control station for your awning, powered awning, which we'll talk about on the outside, porch light, awning light, etc. But you've also got the setup for solar. We've got standard solar on the 17 RBLX, 80 watt panel on the roof. And again, this is a 10 amp controller, going to allow you to go up to 200 watts of solar, but it is pre-wired for a 30 amp controller. So if you want to go over 200 watts, very easy to plug and play. But this is a Go Power system, again, 80 watts on the roof, standard in this 17 RBLX. Let's head outside. I want to talk about a few things out there. All right, we're outside the 17 RBLX Legend X series. A couple cool things I want to show you up front. Check out this brand new graphics package for the LX, we're calling it. Very cool setup here. You've got the mountain range up front, Legend X graphics. You've got our Surveyor logo up here as well. Let me show you a couple things up front we've got that are standard equipment. You've got a standard power tongue jack on this 17 RB. You've also got a single propane setup that you're gonna find on all our single axle floor plans. Utility hook here, versatile setup for your safety chains, hooking up bikes, pet leash, so pet friendly feature there, but very cool setup. You've got plenty of room for batteries here, and then you've also got a standard battery disconnect, a place to put your 7-way holder. That's very cool, so check that out. Gets it off the ground, out of the mud, snow. And then you've got your repeater up here for your Tpms system. We talked about all the features this thing is loaded with. It's got standard Tpms, which is incredible. This is a TST system, Truck System Technologies. Tpms is what they do. This is a high quality system. But you guys, this is gonna give you so much peace of mind as you're going down the road. This system is designed to monitor not only tire pressure, but heat, and it's gonna give you the ability to have a lot of warnings activated, like fast leaks, slow leaks, all things like that. So again, just a ton of peace of mind, but just keep in mind on this 17 RB, standard Tpms system, which is incredible. Let's head this way. I wanna show you this pass-through area that we've got. So in the 17, you've got aluminum bed bases up here, which again, one of the things about Surveyor, even in this Legend X, we want to give you the best quality product we can. So our construction features are going to carry through all the things we talk about in the Surveyor lineup. Your aluminum framing, aluminum bed bases, your Asdale. So all that stuff is going to carry through this Legend X lineup, which is awesome. You've got motion lighting up front, and you've got your 3/4 inch drill bit, which is going to assist with these manual jacks. But you've got a ton of storage here in the 17 for additional items that you want to, if you get muddy, keep outside your coach. But a ton of storage opportunities there. Slam latch baggage door, magnetic door catches up here as well. Let's move to the back. I want to show you a couple more things. All right, we're by the entry door of this 17 RBLX. Some cool things I want to show you here that we did in this series. Again, some high-end features that you're going to find at this price point, which are very rare. You got a standard spray port here, which is very cool. Gives you access to that fresh water. If you want to wash off your bikes, wash your kids off, whatever you want to do there. Wash your dogs. Great opportunity to do that. You've got cable and power hookups here as well. You've got standard aluminum wheels. So again, at this price point, you're not gonna find that often, but you've got standard black aluminum wheels, the same wheels you're gonna find on our Grand Surveyor and Legend floor plans. Let's check this out. 26-inch black glass entry door, friction hinge, you're gonna find on this Legend X. Very cool, again, friction hinge, safety features, you're going in and out. If you got your hands full or kids are going in and out, it's a great feature to have, but this black door looks incredible. It's got shade prep, so it's got a window in it. with the prep for a shade that you can get aftermarket, but a very cool door and just a very sexy feature you've got here on the Legend X that you're gonna find on all the Surveyor product for 2023. So keep that in mind as well. More ride steps. The features just keep on coming on the 17 RBLX. More ride steps here. You've got the Surveyor name cut out, so when you have your porch light on, it's gonna light up those steps. So early in the morning, nighttime, kids are going in and out, animals. This is a great safety feature, but these steps are very stable, very easy to adjust the legs. But this is a high-end feature that you're not gonna find really on a lot of floor plans this size at this price point. So keep that in mind. We're giving you a ton of features on this 17. Oversized grab handle here as well. And check out the nice big awning we've got. I didn't turn it on here, but I will. We've got the LED awning light. I turned on the porch light as well so you can see that light coming through on the steps. But you've got an oversized awning here. It's gonna cover the entry door, stretches almost the entire length of the coach. It's gonna be an electric awning too. Another great feature on this 17. But man, I'm telling you, this thing is packed inside and out with features. Let's head to the back. I want to talk about a couple more things and then we'll wrap it up. All right, we're in the back of the 17 RBLX. A couple things I want to talk about back here. We've got roof ladder prep on this unit, so you can add the roof ladder aftermarket. Fully walkable roof, 16 on center trusses up there, fully walkable roof, even on this Legend X series. Which is incredible. Again, we've carried our construction features throughout, which we'll talk about before we end this tour. But a couple things I want to hit on back here. We've got backup camera prep on here, and we've also got an optional cargo rack. So you've seen it on other floor plans, optional cargo rack, bike/utility rack, very versatile. You can put firewood, coolers, generators, strap your bikes down, whatever you want to do, but that is optional here on this Legend X, so keep that in mind. You also have the spare tire that's standard as well. And then on the back of all our Surveyors, I just want to mention you're going to see our social media sticker that's going to lead you to our social media platform, so keep that in mind. A couple more things I want to touch on, a couple of construction features you're going to find on all the Surveyors in this 17 RBLX, and then we'll finish up. Okay, before we finish up the tour of this 17, I just want to remind you guys of some of the construction features you're going to see on this model and throughout our entire lineup. Again, we've got some of the best construction in the lightweight segment. The 17 is no different. The Legend X series is no different. You've got aluminum framing throughout, fully framed out with aluminum. Windows, baggage doors, you name it, every hole in this unit is framed with aluminum. You got that additional support. So this product is going to stand the test of time. It's going to be more durable the competing brands out there on the market. You've also got Azdel behind the fiberglass. We talked about the heated and enclosed underbelly that's going to help you with extended season camping. The Azdel is going to protect you from moisture. It's also going to be a better insulator. But if you don't know what Azdel is, go check it out, do some research on it. But it's a man-made product that's designed to be a moisture barrier. It's impervious to water. You know, if it does come in contact with water, it's not gonna rot, mold, or cause the wall to separate. So just keep in mind when you're looking at Surveyors, you're dealing with a better built product. It is gonna stand the test of time. And we've got some upgraded construction features that you're gonna find throughout our entire lineup. Thanks for joining me today. Again, this has been the 17 RBLX, brand new floor plan from Surveyor, part of our new sub-series called Legend X. So check it out. It's gonna be hitting dealers' lots this fall. We are very excited about it. And again, we've got a separate video on Legend X that's gonna explain exactly why we brought this product to market for the customer. But thanks for joining me today. Again, 17 RBLX, couples coach, half-ton towable, under 23 feet and under 4,000 pounds. For more information, you can go to our website, check out all our floor plans that we've got, because we've got a ton, single axles all the way on up to full-size bunkhouses. But we're all half-ton towable, as you guys know, across the board. But our website is www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor. Check us out.